Slide the door. The farm. In the sky. They're stuck. Tornado. Oh no. I have to help them. Jump down. Go away. Go. Lost all of her spots. One of the spots. Grab the spot. Toss it on the couch. Shoo. Grab the spot. Put spots back. Wow. So happy. You make one too. Chocolate. Strawberry. Pour it. Squeeze. Pink tornado. Yummy. Hi everyone. We have a brand new interactive story called Moo Moo Mix Up, illustrated and created by GoGo Speech. This story will bring you on a trip to the farm where you'll run into some unexpected weather that causes one of our cow friends to lose all of her spots, and we are going to have to help her get them back. This is a one resource activity that you can use with all of your kids by adjusting your presentation of it to target their goals. You can work on a wide range of skills such as formulating sentences, inferencing and predicting, story retell, social pragmatic skills, answering WH questions, core words and early language skills, prepositions, requesting and describing, speech sounds, and more. You can pick some repetitive phrases and verbal routines to use throughout that include target sounds and language goals to get lots of trials in. So I'm just going to quickly go through to show you what it looks like and give you some ideas on how you could use it in your sessions. We're going to start out with some magic doors, and you can see if your kids can guess what the activity is about based on what they look like. Slide the door. We're at the farm. Look at all the farm animals. And you can describe the scene and talk about each of the animals. Were those clouds there before? I wonder if that means a storm is coming. Should we tell them? And you can prompt your kids to use certain language that addresses their targets as they interact with the characters in the story. Uh-oh. They look surprised. Those are some dark clouds. The sky is darker too. You see something in the sky? A tornado! So I do want to mention that if you live in an area that is prone to experiencing tornadoes, this portion of the activity can absolutely be avoided in order to prevent any triggers with your kids. All you would have to do is remove slides 5 through 14 in the file before using it, and then the magic doors will actually just open up to a messy field after a storm, and it doesn't take away from the activity at all. You can continue with the rest of the activity just as it is. This information is also written in the beginning of the slides as a reminder. Another thing you can do is refer to the weather as super windy if you want to avoid the topic of tornadoes. Spinning really fast. You better look out. Oh no, the horse and sheep are stuck in the wind. Oh no, now it's picking up the hay. And you can prompt your kids to say, look out, cow, look out, pig, and so on. The cow and the rooster are stuck. Oh no. So maybe you'll say, go away, twister. Or maybe you'll try to help the animals that are stuck in the wind. Let's help. Get down, goat. Or tell them to jump down. Get them down. Put them back, twister. Jump down. The animals jumped out. I see them in the barn. Good job helping the animals. Go away, twister. Go away, twister. Go away, go away. Phew. I think the tornado is gone. Whoa, it really made a mess. Dirt and hay everywhere. So if you are skipping the tornado slides, you are going to open up the doors to this slide here. And here you'll see the field is a mess from a storm that came through. And it looks like all the animals were able to stay safe from the storm. I think they're hiding in there. And the sun is coming out. Oh, I'm so glad. Hey, it's the cow. But wait a second. She lost all of her spots. Uh-oh. Maybe they got lost in the storm. You can also give the cow a name that includes the child's target sounds to get lots of trials in. She's showing us that the barn doors are open. They were closed before. Check it out. Let's go. So you can describe what you see in the barn. I guess she wants to go in. Maybe she thinks the other animals are in there. Let's see. She's on the hay stack. There's a lot of hay in here. Did you see something? So when an animal pops out from the hay, you can quickly go back to the previous slide. So it looks like the animal just popped out really fast and then went back in, if that's something that would be motivating for your kids. Something popped out right there. Let's see if it comes back out. There it is, a sheep. You can have your kids tell the sheep what happened. The cow lost her spots, or the spinning tornado took her spots. And try to work in those target sounds and language goals into a phrase or sentence that you can use each time an animal pops out to tell them what happened. What? The sheep has one of the spots? Maybe the spots landed on all the other animals when they were all mixed up in the tornado together. So you can tell the cow, We can help you, and you can tell your kids to grab the spot and put it on the cow. Yay! The cow has one spot now. And you can say, wow, that sheep was quick. Thank you, sheep. I wonder if any of the other animals are in here. You saw something. A barn rat. Or maybe you'll call it a mouse if your child is working on the S sound. But wait, there wasn't a rat in the tornado, was there? Ah, it jumped on the cow's back. And you can have your kids say, go away, rat, go away. So you can work on prepositions as the rat moves around the barn. Go away, rat. Phew, I'm glad that rat is gone. And you can have them say, don't come back. The cow sees something else. I see black horns. Is it the goat? So now that we know that the sheep had one of the cow's spots, you can see if any of the other animals have spots too. So when they pop out, you're gonna ask them, do you have a spot? Or have you seen any spots? Or show us what you look like. Whatever you want to say to include target sounds and language goals while you're trying to get the animals to reveal themselves. Do you have a spot? A spot! And again, you're going to grab the spot and put it on the cow, or throw it, toss it on the cow. Thank you, goat. You can make sentences each time the cow gets another spot. The cow has 2 spots. The chicken, you can greet them when they pop out if you want. Hi, chicken. She lost her spots. Can you show us your feathers? Another spot. So you'll grab it and toss it on the cow. The spot is on her head. Now the rat is going to come out again, so you can talk about where it goes in the scene, and you can shoo it away or tell it to go away until it's gone. Shoo, rat, shoo. It's on the rope. Go away. Go away, go away. Behind the bag. Okay, I think it's gone now. Then we have the pig come out, and then the horse, and we put the spots on just like we did with the others. So you're just following the same sequence, using the same language to interact with the characters and discuss the scenes. The rat comes out one last time. The cow is looking at the mouse in the bucket. I wonder if the cow is scared of the mouse. The rat is hiding. Go away, rat, go away. And then the final animal comes out to give us the very last spot for the cow. A rooster. Do you have a spot? Grab the spot. Put on. Thank you, rooster. The cow has all of her spots back. We helped find all of her spots. She is so happy. Wait, where's she going? And you can say, where are you going, cow? Whoa, all the animals look surprised. I bet they want to know where the cow is going too. So you can say follow or let's go. Keep looking. Wow. So you can have your kids describe what's happening here. The cow is on the tractor. What does she have? I wonder if that's for all the animals that helped her get her spots back. I can't believe that tornado mixed up all of her spots. Chocolate and strawberry. You can prompt your kids to tell the animals to take a glass or pick a cup. Which one do you want, animals? Grab a flavor. They're so happy. They all have a treat. You can make sentences saying which animals have strawberry milk and which ones have chocolate milk. You can discuss what the child's favorite flavor of milk is. You can talk about what they use to make it. And then the cow is giving us a cup and a straw and all the ingredients. I bet she's going to let you make one too. So here the child can choose if they want to make chocolate or strawberry milk. The slides in the file go through both processes, but they start with the chocolate milk first. So if the child picks strawberry, you can just jump to those slides, or you can just stay in the sequence and say, ooh, strawberry milk sounds yummy, but will you help me make the chocolate milk for me first, and then we can make your strawberry milk so that we can pretend to drink it together, or something along those lines so that you can go through the steps twice by making both flavors. And that way you're using lots of repetitive language and verbal routines to complete the process. Also, if the child has a hard time picking one of the flavors, you can just say, how about we make a chocolate one and a strawberry one? So we have all of the ingredients set up and there will be arrows guiding you along. Grab the cap. take it off or pop it off. Grab the milk or the handle, pour it in, pour the milk in for a little bit. Grab the syrup or the chocolate sauce, whatever you want to call it, and pour it in. Uh-oh, it's not coming out. Squeeze it, squeeze. There we go. We need a spoon to mix it up. Grab the spoon, put it in the cup. Whoa, it looks like a tornado. So you can go back and forth between these two slides using the arrow keys on the keyboard so that it looks like you're mixing up the chocolate milk. Whoa, it's swirling around. It's all mixed up. Is it finished yet? We need the straw. Grab the straw, put in. Yay, we made the chocolate milk. Now, if the child picked the chocolate milk, you can say, let's make some strawberry milk for me now, and go through those steps again with the strawberry syrup. So you follow the arrows, pour it in, squeeze it, and you mix it up. A pink tornado. Get the straw. Yummy. Then the last slide of the file shows the chocolate milk and the strawberry milk that we made, and you can pretend to drink it, and the child can pretend to drink it, and all the animals are here to enjoy it with us. The cow is so happy. I'm so glad that we found all of her spots. You did awesome. And that's the end of the activity. If you're signed up as a GoGo member, you will also get access to some different printable PDFs that go along with this activity. These printable PDFs can be used in person or emailed over to the parents to be used at home during your virtual sessions. So you'll have a fun activity page of the cow without any of her spots. And this can be used to color or glue on the spots as they are found throughout the story. GoGo members will also get a printable of each of the farm animals and the spots that can be cut out and placed on the animals before they are placed on the cow, along with a printable tornado PDF. So you can use all of these different materials to play along with the characters during the story and even after the story to recreate scenes and to retell the events from the story. In addition to those, we have one more PDF activity that you'll have access to if you're signed up as a GoGo member. So this is a super simple recipe for your kids to follow so you can actually make either the chocolate milk or the strawberry milk in your sessions. This would be so much fun for in-person sessions, but even if you are virtual, you can check to see if the family has milk and chocolate or strawberry syrup in, and you can make it together virtually. This PDF includes a writing prompt for sequencing and retelling the steps to make it as well. So that's our story, Moo Moo Mix-Up. I hope you all have a blast. Make sure you're following GoGo Speech on Instagram and Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on our latest releases. I'll see you all next time. Bye!